fill your own donut holes that are truly addicting. And I'm using store-bought canned biscuit dough. This makes it so super easy. You want to get just the regular kind of buttermilk, old-fashioned style. Cut them into 4 pieces, and then we're going to flatten them out and roll them a little bit into the shape of a donut hole. And I already made a few dozen, so this is just the last batch. Okay, these are ready to go. I'm just going to put them into my oil, which is heated up to 350 degrees. When you're frying or cooking, you never want to crowd the pan. That just means you don't want to get so many. They won't cook as fast and as evenly if you have too many things going at once. And I'm just going to let these cook until they're nice and golden brown, like the ones that I've already made. And it'll happen fairly quickly. So we have 2 sauces here that we're going to use. It's really fun. Everybody gets to kind of make it their own. You can use whatever sauce you like. Today I'm using a store-bought chocolate sauce, and then I'm using a raspberry sauce that I made, and it's really good, and it was really easy to make, and this is how I did it. First, I pureed some raspberries. Then I folded in some whipped topping and put it into a resealable bag. I filled these little squeeze bottles with the sauce, and that's it. I've already got most of these prepared. I'm just gonna hit all of these with a little bit of powdered sugar, add a little bit of sweet, and they're cute. And all you're gonna do is pick your poison, and then basically you're just gonna take this little tip and poke it into the donut hole, and then squeeze. And then taste. It's cute, and it's good. All right, I better take these out to my friends. All right, guys, dessert is up.
Ooh,
These
yeah.
are fill your own donut holes. We got raspberry filling and we have chocolate fudge filling, and you're gonna stab your donut hole and you're gonna fill it up, and it's gonna taste amazing.
Hey,
So
look, this is fun.
No donut hole left behind. It's like all.
So you just go straight in.
just go straight in.
Okay. You should be good at this actually because you're a nurse.
Dessert should be fun.
It should be fun.